Sure guys in primary now. I'm sitting here with a Ukai unit and they have not been requested.
Show us your hand! Show us your hand!
February 15th, 2020, Lake County, California. What starts as a report of a stolen silver Ford Fusion quickly turns into a high-stakes pursuit on Highway 29. The driver, Miranda Ellingwood Estrella, is about to turn a routine Saturday afternoon into a life-threatening game of cat and mouse, reaching speeds that leave no room for error.
Uh, 10851, the Thomas Drive, Highway 29.
Is that going to be the Ford Fusion?
Hey, Fairmont being pursued, current speed 115 miles an hour.
In pursuit, miles per hour, 115.
115 miles per hour on a narrow road leaves zero room for error. At this velocity, any minor bump can turn that stolen sedan into a lethal projectile.
3710, which direction is travel?
Southbound. We're just coming into Kelseyville right now. Moderate traffic.
Southbound, coming into Kelseyville, moderate traffic.
Current speed, 92 miles per hour. Just passing Merritt.
We'll be passing Merritt, what's miles per hour?
85.
85 miles per hour.
Crossing double yellows.
Sorry.
We're on the line.
Central 437. We're approaching Live Oak, 88 miles per hour, crossing double yellow lines.
Approaching Live Oak, 88 miles per hour, crossing double yellow.
Driver just brake checked us.
That brake check just changed the entire energy of this pursuit. Miranda is no longer just trying to get away. She is actively trying to cause a high-speed wreck. In the eyes of the law, using a vehicle as a weapon like this can lead to much heavier assault charges.
439, Paul 7, you want to take primary?
Ball 7, apron.
Go ahead when you're ready.
Still copies of 437 taking primary.
Hey, firm.
Stop the vehicle!
40 code.
40 copy and route code.
Stop the vehicle! Central 437, passing Cold Creek, 75 miles per hour, crossing double yellows into traffic.
Passing Coal Creek, crossing double yellows into traffic.
All 510, you can cancel on ahead of you, break. Still 10-7.
Copy.
Central 437, vehicles weaving heavily, possible 23-152 as well.
37 unreadable.
Vehicles weaving from lane to lane. She's probably 23-152 as well.
Possibly 23-152.
Current speed 80, just past Bottle Rock.
The 80 passing Bottle Rock.
85 miles an hour, red light at Soda Bay.
437, we're going up Red Hills.
37, going up Red Hills.
I'm going to cancel. I'm too far away.
Current speed about 55, moderate traffic in the other lane.
55, moderate traffic.
.440, 437, requesting permission for a pit if I can.
The deputy needs a green light because a high-speed PIT is often classified as a use of deadly force. By asking, he is shifting the legal liability and the heavy decision onto his supervisor. It is no longer just a chase. It is a calculated risk approved by the chain of command.
Central 437, crossing double yellows, 45 miles per hour, almost just struck 2 vehicles.
45, crossing double yellows, almost struck 2 vehicles.
37, if you have there's a good spot going up that way with nobody in the way, you can do it.
37, copy.
3729, coming up Red Hill.
37, copies.
Ball 7, 8800 block of Red Hill, current speed 50.
800 block of Red Hill.
Just turned on 175.
Turned on 175.
Direction. Southeast currently.
Copy, southeast.
Passing mile marker 1166.
Milepost marker 1166.
Current speed 47, no traffic at this time. Mile marker 12.26.
47 with no traffic, milepost marker 12.26.
Is it just you on 37 still?
Sam 2, A firm, it's just Paul 79.
Hold off on the pit if you can.
10-4, I haven't been able to get it.
440, 272.
Good.
I'm sure guys in primary now. I'm sitting here with a Yukai unit and they have not been requested.
Show us your hands! Show us your hands! Put us out! Put us out! Put your hands up! Put your hands up! Put your hands up! Put your hands up!
Too much static.
Cotter covered?
Said one at gunpoint.
Put your hands up!
One at gunpoint.
Stay in the car! Stay in the car!
Stop! Do not reach in there again! Get your hands up!
2, can you recontact UCAR's dispatch and request them?
Keep your hands up!
247, what's your 20?
Do you have less lethal?
In the world of policing, hands kill. By reaching back into the cabin, Miranda transforms a car theft into a potential lethal encounter. This movement is a tactical red flag that justifies an immediate escalation of force to prevent a deadly shootout.
Put your hands up! Get out of the car! Put your hands up! Put your hands up! Put your hands up! Drop it!
Call 7, what's your location?
Drop it!
75 and 1.
Drop it! Let's lethal deployed! Drop it! Get out of the car!
2297.
Copy.
I hit her with one beanbag. I can't see her hands.
We maneuvered over to the right,
Get out of the car!
digging for something. Come to the right.
Put your hands! Put your hands up! Put your hands up! Let's lethal! Put your hands up! Hands out the window! Step out of the car! Keep your hands up! Get out of the car! Crawl to the passenger side!
Can you see all the way on the side? No. We're on the side. I got Come out this way.
Are you guys moving up?
Roll out this way. No, they're finished. Roll out on your passenger side. Put your hands where we can see them. Stop fiddling with that. You're going to get a feedback again. Put your hands up. Crawl out the passenger side. Now, can you see them? Come out with your hands up. Put the feedback around, man. Now come out with your hands up. Full of people. Get out of the car now. Get out of the car. We're going to take you out of the car. Let's go. Out of the passenger side. Let's go. We're going to get a feedback again. Let's go. Out of the passenger side. Doctor, again, come out of the vehicle. Roll out of the passenger side.
She's coming out.
422, update.
I got it. I got it. Keep me covered.
Got you.
I got it. I got it. Central 437.
7.
We are at the end of the straightaway on 175. And we have 2 less lethal rounds deployed. She's refusing to comply with orders.
437, I copied at the end of the straightaway.
got it. I got it. You want to put her in back of my car?
Stand up. Alright, stand up.
Wait.
You sure?
Can I get my belongings?
No.
Because I don't want my stuff to get stolen.
Just her?
What's that?
I was taking the crash on this and you guys went by me up by the office. Outstanding.
No, sit in here. You gonna sit or we're gonna have to make you do?
Look, get in the car!
Okay.
Sit up there. Get up on the step. Stand up on the step. Right there. Right there.
One I should say.
Put your foot right there.
One less lethal deployed by SO, one by leak.
You know, Robert.
2 less lethal deployed. X-ray is detained, and you guys need medical to start that way.
Hey, firm.
Anybody hurt?
No, for her.
What we are seeing is a textbook display of criminal entitlement. Miranda has spent the last 30 minutes violating the property rights and safety of everyone on the road. Yet the moment she is in handcuffs, she expects the law to protect her own belongings from theft. This psychological detachment allows suspects to justify their dangerous actions while still viewing themselves as the primary victim of the situation. Her reckless choices eventually caught up with her in court. Miranda was found guilty of felony evading and sentenced to 3 years in state prison.